So hello guys, welcome back in the video. So in this video we'll see how to edit silhouette. So we'll open the Lightroom app. I have imported the image which I want to edit. So first I'll apply my preset and I'll show you the values. So I've applied. Now let's check the value. So light, the exposure it has 0, contrast 50, highlights +2, shadows -13, whites -23, and blacks 11. And as you can see the curve, yeah, and others are flat. Okay, so the next we'll see the color. So in this I have set the vibrance to 71 and saturation to -90. And we'll go to the mix, and as you can see the colors are 22, 33, saturation is at 21, green 0, 0, +17, yeah, and done. And the other thing, split tone, as you can see no changes. You can see sharpening, and this is optional, you can do or can't. Now let's go to the basic, and here you can select from vintage or modern as per your image. So I like vintage 10 more, so we'll reduce it to 40. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, done. Now as you all can see, I had a blue tone over the upper sky. So how to do that? As you can go in the selective. Now you can just grab it, yeah, and now go to the color. Now reduce the temperature a bit, -15 is okay, saturation and color, yeah, okay, yeah, this looks cool, yeah, now it's fine. So now we'll reduce some texture and clarity, so it will look natural and less grainy. So yeah, it's done now. Now we'll export this, export as, and yeah, so now we'll open the in Snapseed, open, yeah, now just go to tool, selective, and you can select increase the saturation a bit and reduce the structure, and in the orange increase the saturation a bit, reduce the structure, yeah, you can see. Now we'll remove some unwanted objects like this human element, yeah, it's done now. Yeah, now you can go in the curve section, and they have many curves available like presets, so you can add those like F1, yeah, this looks cool. So now we'll go to the white balance and reduce the temperature, okay, view edits, and I'll show you the color grading. So now till here 100%, now reduce it to 75, yeah, now reduce it to 50, yeah, now you're good to go. Now you can see the color grading. This is the way I do. So now let's do for orange. Now let's increase the temperature to 20, yeah, it's fine. Now 20, now tools, view edits, and let's edit. So let it be 100, this part fully, and orange. Yeah, now 75, now 50. Yeah, now as you can see, it looks much better, and this is how I edit, and you can also edit. So thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more about photography editing, so do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye.